Welcome to ProSpark Demo Account. By using an admin account, we'll be showing you around the site and explaining certain functions today. Let's begin. Once logged in, a welcoming message pops up. What you're seeing now is our dashboard. Firstly, let's go over the calendar function. It can be integrated by an existing calendar. Beside it, we have the language preference function. On its side is your profile, where you can edit your information or log out from your account. On the dashboard, you will see active users who are part of the demo or learning program. Here, you will see the total number of courses the account has, and next to it are courses that are currently scheduled. On the right side of the screen is the leaderboard section, where the points displayed are based on login activity and test results. The badges provided can be modified in terms of gamification. The overall page shows you the other sections where contents are displayed. Over here are the webinar schedules. Announcements are shown at the bottom, where the weekly login activity is displayed. Our platform boasts a chat feature that you can locate at the bottom right side of the screen. Here, you can communicate with everyone, including this person right here. Okay, we are at the end of our tour for the homepage dashboard. We hope that was all clear for you. A quick note, our system is customizable and user-friendly, plus integrating your existing HRIS or performance management system is possible. At the left side of the screen, you can see separate buttons. Let's start with this one right here called People. This is where you can add users under Administrator or Learner. For the Admin section, you can hover your cursor over the User button. By clicking it, you can individually add users. There is an option to import users or add them by batch. Additionally, we can also invite people outside the organization for them to experience a ProSpark webinar class. But first, let's click on Create User. Here on this page, we can see the overall information needed for user account creation. This includes the following: name, position, gender, email address, personal username, and the password. The description box is optional, but it's there for users to leave notes or provide a message. Lastly is the role and its function and competency. There are several options that are available. You can be an administrator, supervisor, learner, and trainer. Our system allows you to add an additional role when needed. Once done, just click Submit. Now let's try a different feature, the Import User. We have a sample file provided where you can simply download it and place the required information needed on the file itself. Make sure to click Save. Once done, you can click the File button and have it imported on the system. One last thing to explore is the Invite User option. This step is pretty simple because all you need to do is just fill in the information provided on the page. Name, email address, and username. The passwords can be generated, and you can type in the message of your preferred content to that user and click the Send Invitation button. This will give access to people on the system depending if it is an admin or learner role. Let's take a look at the overall view of the registered users in the account on the table provided. You have the option to enable and disable their status by clicking on this button. On the right side of the screen, there are several actions you can take, like editing, deleting, or resetting the password of that user. On the left side of the screen under People, let's quickly explore the Learner option. In this page, the functions are similar in adding users, just as how we explored the Administrator page. Importing users will fill up the information here. The only difference of the Administrator page on the Overview table provided is Courses. This lets you manage the course of the learner. So let's try clicking the button. We have two separate tables where users who are learners have a list of enrolled courses and a list of courses available. You have the option to have that certain learner enrolled in the course by clicking the Enroll User button. On the left side under Enrolled Courses, you can remove the user once they are done with the course, or if you simply want to have it deleted, you can click on this button. Now, we're done with the People function, and we've successfully gone through the Administrator and Learner buttons. Thank you for your patience. If you have any concerns and questions, you can reach out to us by sending us an inquiry through info@prospark.co.